Feeling tired and out of energy? Every day our body experiences dehydration. Introducing the newest innovation in molecular hydrogen tablets, H2GO. H2GO is an instant energy driver, an anti-fatigue tablet that converts water into H2-rich water. H2GO is your companion to a healthy, active, and energized lifestyle. H2GO produces the highest concentration of hydrogen that increases your body's cellular hydration.
Almost every morning, 3-4 times a week, I push myself to go to the gym. I have much more energy even after leaving the gym. I'm still, fresh, active, and I keep going all day long. There are times when I only get to bed at 1 a.m., 2 a.m., and I'm still active.
After I drink H2GO water, I am able to do more in the gym. I kind of discovered it when I hit the gym. It was very surprising that I was able to lift almost 20% more weight, and it was amazing. I felt great.
After taking H2GO, I can do more. I felt I am more energized, I have more energy to spare, and I can do more after work with all the V and QNET network marketing activities. Of course, my family can see that I am still very much alive and active.
Remember, life is better with more energy. Make the most of your everyday and boost your energy instantly with H2GO.